Bonjour. Hello, Lana. So, I have a question for you, Lana. Have you ever heard a word pronounced differently from the way it's written? Or have you ever seen a word written in a way that it's not pronounced? If you have, then you are in the right place today. So today we are going to look at how GN sounds in French. If you see a word in French and it has an GN, I want you to know that that sound becomes N. N. So, just like we said, OI sounds like wa, so GN will sound like N. For example, look at the word mignon. Mignon to mean cute. That's not mignon or something of the sort. It becomes mignon, which means cute. Agnon. Agnon, which means lamb, lamb. Agnon, we have champagne. It's not champagne or something, but it's champagne, the drink, champagne. Then we have cognac. Cognac, the same. It's a drink, cognac, not cognac or something of the sort. So GN now becomes N. Rossignol. Rossignol, which means nightingale. Now, rossignol. We have champignon. Champignon, which means mushroom. Champignon. So if you look at the GN in these words that I'm pronouncing, they are not the way they are in the English way, like signature. Signature, which means signature. So you'll have to be very keen when you are pronouncing these words in French, because the moment you see the GN, you turn the sound to N. That means that chances that if you say it with N, you'll have pronounced it right. There are very many, in as much as we have a few exceptions, but I will encourage you to pronounce them as N, because the majority of the words will have that sound. So let's look at a few infinitive verbs that have the same sound as N. The verb peigner, yes, to comb your hair, peigner. We have gagner. Can you say gagner? Gagner, to win. We have signer. Signer, which is to sign. Signer, souligner. Souligner, which means to underline. We have enseigner. Enseigner, which means to teach. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if you see a sound pronounced as N, if someone is speaking, you just know that there's a GN somewhere. But look at this word. Baignoire. Baignoire. It doesn't bring that N. It's baignoire and not baignoire. So baignoire, bathtub, baignoire. You see, the N is followed by OI, now it becomes noir, not noir. So baignoire, baignoire. So we have peignoir, peignoir, wardrobe, peignoir. So those are just but a few exceptions. So don't be worried. Don't make it a big deal, but they're just few. If you look at the percentage, maybe 90% will have the N. Then we have words like the same as baignoire. There are not that many. Look at this word also. Oignon. I know you'll be tempted to say it as oignon or something, but it becomes oignon to mean onion. Oignon. Look at this word also. It looks something else. Magnifique. Magnifique. It has GN, yes, but if you hear the way it's pronounced, it's magnifique, not magnifique. Magnifique. So, for you to pronounce the words the right way, if you look at my other YouTube videos, I told you that pronunciation in French is a weapon, so you'll just need it. So, I really want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see how other sounds form in French. You see, other letters, when they follow one another, what sounds they form. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see that. Before I just end, I have a question for you. How do you pronounce this word? Do you say diagnostic or diagnostic? Is it diagnostic or diagnostic? So that's for you to think about. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.